Basti Hazrat Nizamuddin. Home to winding narrow streets, walls that look down on hundreds of years of history, and steps that follow where a revered saint once walked. This is the living, beating heart of Delhi, the national capital of India.
हज़रत निज़ामुद्दीन औलिया का नाम आते ही एक लोगों के जहन में एक कम्युनल हारमनी, एक गंगा जमनी तहजीब का नाम एकदम छड़ जाता है लोगों के जहन में.
This living example of India's pluralist culture and heritage is a natural home for the Aga Khan Trust for Culture, whose focus is always the physical, social, cultural and economic revitalization of communities in the developing world. Revitalizing the Basti achieves multiple purposes. The preservation of both tangible and intangible manifestations of the past, the catalyzing of the residents' sense of ownership, the resultant creation of springboards for development, and a direct increase in the socio-economic activities, leading to a material increase in the quality of the lives of the residents.
Conservation done over here is actually coupled with development, so it's not, it's meant to ensure that everybody has a stake in it.
To begin with, the AKTC began to work with and in the community for the conservation of several of the monuments here. Slowly but surely, the glory of several key monuments among the hundreds that dot the landscape of the Basti began to be restored. Restoring these glorious representations of the past and living history has a relatable effect on how residents living in their vicinity begin to see and feel about themselves. Slowly, they begin to appreciate the value of their 700-year-old inheritance, encased as it is in the built-up and lived Indian history and culture. For this is the birthplace of the Qawwali and the final resting place of Khusro, Ghalib and Rahim, shining jewels in the Indian crown. Preserving the built heritage of the place has helped create interest in tourists and lovers of history. And today, residents can share the past with them, employing the training they received from the Aga Khan Trust for Culture. The program is called Saire Nizamuddin.
We have trained about 60 professionals, those who are actually working as heritage volunteers now. After preservation of all these monuments, people are really getting to know what culture they had from last 700 years, which was lost somewhere in between.
My work primarily focuses on the heritage walks that we conduct. We conduct heritage walk of Basti Hazrat Nizamuddin, of Humayun's tomb and Abdul Rahim Khan Khan's tomb.
The direct connection between the restoration work and tangible benefits to the community is not lost on the residents. They can see how the investment in culture and heritage they inherited creates value for them in the present. As a result, they become more receptive to the new avenues for progress and social change the AKTC opens for them.
लगभग 7% महिलाएं केवल ऐसी थीं जिनके पास अपने कोई आमदनी थी, यानी कि बस्ती की 93% महिलाएं ऐसे हैं जिनके पास अपनी कोई आमदनी नहीं है. जब इनके पास आमदनी नहीं है तो जाहिर सी बात है आज़ादी भी नहीं है.
Things are different now. Even among the women coming from traditionally conservative families, there is a realization that they have a capacity to contribute to the family and the community. This increased confidence has helped the SHG set up businesses, which help them increase their incomes and helps reclaim arts that were dying out. For instance, Zaika, which resurrects Basti cooking from the days of yore, bringing it into the present day.
जायका फर्स्ट न्यूट्रिशियस स्नैक्स बनाता है, सेकंड चिकन बिरयानी कोरमा वगैरह जो स्पेशल निज़ामुद्दीन स्पेशल होता है वो बनाता है.
Or Insha-e-Noor, where women train in the art of paper cutting called Sanji, or learn expert needlework called Zardozi. In the Sanji work the women undertake, we can see the visible echoes of motifs and patterns from the buildings restored by the AKTC.
इंशा-ए-नूर में हमारे 100 मेंबर हैं. बहुत मज़ा आता है घर से बाहर निकलकर. थोड़ी हमारे अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस भी आ गया, तेजी भी आ गई है.
This energy, so wonderfully expressed in the words Shaheen used, best finds expression during the Apni Basti Mela, held every November, when visitors can experience the proud heritage and culture of the Basti through activities, music, food and more.
This Mela gives the people of the Basti an opportunity to showcase their talent, to showcase their vibrant culture.
ये सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट यही है कि बस्ती के लोगों को, उनके लाइवलीहुड को, उनके आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को बढ़ावा देना.
लेडीज़ बाहर निकली हैं, उन्होंने अपनी अपनी शॉपें लगाई हैं, उनको अच्छी इनकम हुई है.
अपनी बस्ती मेला में भी बहुत लोग आए, सबने खाया और बहुत खुशी होती है उस टाइम पे.
We've got 15-20,000 people from outside coming in for a 3-day event. I think that culture has the potential to break class, religion divides like nothing else, and that's what we're trying to achieve here.